Hi, welcome to the Healing Path. My name is Christina. We've been talking about meditation the last few videos, and I'm continuing, I guess, a series on introductions to different types of meditation. So these are videos just to give you a little quick way to calm yourself down. You can extend this practice on your own, and in the future, I'll make some videos where I just take you through a longer guided meditation with some of these. But right now, I'm just excited to introduce it. I want people to know that meditation is accessible to everyone. And I have ADHD. So if anybody isn't going to be able to meditate, it would be me. So the thing about meditation is it's just you picking a focal point, and when you find yourself distracted, returning to that focal point. And I like to add to that that not only returning to your focal point, but returning to your focal point without a judgment toward yourself. So that's where people start saying, oh, I can't meditate. My brain is busy. Everybody's brain is busy. Some people's brains, like mine, are more distracted than others. And in my opinion, we are the people who probably need to meditate more than anybody. So a regular meditation practice can help you to be more grounded, more centered, and more focused, and help your body and nervous system to be able to relax and regulate itself easier, even outside of those times where you're meditating. So the effects of this practice are cumulative. All right. So we're going to go ahead today and we're going to practice a 5 senses check. That's what I like to call it. And we're literally just going to take a moment to be very present and mindful, and not just scanning our body, but we're going to instead be present by checking in with our 5 senses. So we'll go ahead and practice this together, and then we'll do a different type of meditation in another video. All right, so get comfortable. You can sit, stand, or lay down for this. And we'll all take a deep breath in through the nose, exhale out of the mouth. And if you like, you can close your eyes or look towards the floor. And we'll just begin by focusing on the breath coming in and out of the nostrils for just a moment. And then we'll begin. And we'll gently ask ourselves, what do we feel? Maybe you feel your blanket or your clothes or a cushion or the seat that you're sitting on. Whatever you feel, take that in. And what do you taste? Maybe find yourself distracted. You can just come back to this moment. What do you taste? What do you see? Maybe you've got your eyes closed and you don't see anything. What do you see with your eyes closed? Do you see any shapes, any colors? Maybe some shadowy things. What do you hear? And then lastly, what do you smell? We'll let go of those questions, come back to the breath in and out through the nose. And we'll gently crack the eyes back open if they were closed. How did it go? And I hope that you feel relaxed, more relaxed than you did just a moment ago. And I will look forward to seeing you again. If you'd like to work with me privately, we can totally do that as well and work on practicing meditation if that's what you're interested in. We can practice different ways to meditate. And then also just like and subscribe for more if you liked your little practice today. All right. Much peace to you.